dirt magic. And a lot of people talk about how to use graveyard dirt, but we're not going to do that one today. That's like a totally separate class. This is how to use dirt from specific locations in your magical workings. So what you would do is actually go to these different locations and take dirt to use in like your, to sprinkle in your candles. You could use it to keep a dish of it in your house or on your altar. And I'll go over lots of different ways to use it. But one of the ways is like, let's say you want to get a loan from a bank. You would actually go to the bank and get a little bit of their dirt. Now, if it's looking too inconspicuous, you can get leaves that are falling because the bank's kind of a public place. Get a little bit of grass. If there's a potted plant as you're walking in the door, just a little bit of dirt, and you take it home, and you might take that and mix it with certain herbs that are good for money and put it in with bank statements that you've written on and things like that, and let that magic do its work for, a couple of days, a week or something, and then go apply for the loan. Something else you could do if you're having marital problems, you could go to the church in which you were married, if you were married in a church, and take dirt from that church and bring it back home. With that, you could simply do something like put it in your potted plants and incorporate it into the house, or in your yard if you're not in an apartment, somewhere to keep it in the house, or like on an altar with your wedding picture or something too. And you can also burn other candles and stuff around it for passion, for love. It's something that connects you to that space for that reason. Something else is, let's say you want to gain knowledge or insight about something. Get dirt from a college or school. So that helps you with knowledge. If you want to get a nasty neighbor to move away, get dirt from their property. And then what you would actually do with the dirt is take it and drive it all the way on the other side of town and drop it off. Now, I think it's more effective if you actually take the dirt, study their house, like how many bedrooms does it have, what does it look like, and then go on the other side of town and find a house that's similar or a little bit better, one that they would upgrade to and they would like, and dump the dirt there. They may not move in that specific house, but you're stating to the universe, this person wants to leave this place. They want to then move on, move to something else, and it's something they'll like. You could also, if you just want them to get the hell out of town, go and put it on railroad tracks. So the dirt is carried by the train every time it passes over it. And with the intention, the entire time you're putting intention into this and thinking, this carries this person away, this carries this person away. Some more interesting ones that were used historically is riverbank dirt. Okay, you take it from the place where it is eroding, where the dirt is falling constantly into the river, and that's, you would think, it sounds like we're fixing to do bad magic, but it's actually for taking away things like addiction, codependency, all sorts of addictions and things that are eating away from you. You're actually going to take it away. Dirt from a fox's den. I don't know how you're going to find a fox's den, but it's supposed to reveal the identity of a thief. If you're supposed to take it and drop it into water, and it's supposed to make their initial of whoever stole from you. If you get dirt from a snake's den, that's for divination and for sex magic. A tobacco field is, I think this has Native American connotations to it. It's supposed to protect you from evil spirits or to bring blessings in. To take dirt from a barren field, something where no crops have grown in a couple of years, is actually supposed, you use it in baneful magic to make another person barren, where they can't bear children. It could also be to kill their sex drive or to cause them to lose all their money. So you would take it from a dead, barren field. And then there's the dirt dauber nest, which is still dirt, but the dirt daubers have repurposed it. You can use it whole, crumbled, or powdered. You can put it in hot foot or breakup work. for a bad, a baneful aspect, because you can also take it to bring business into your business, where you might mix it with other money drawing ingredients and hang it above the doorway, and it's supposed to bring people into the business. So you don't have to use anything else. You don't have to use candles, you don't have to use other herbs, you can just use the dirt. And this is something, strange for the metaphysical shop to tell you, don't buy anything. But this is something you don't have to buy. Just go somewhere, get dirt from something that is connected to you, and use it on your altar or in your other ingredients. Does anyone have any questions? Yeah. That is dirt from a river where the dirt is eroding. Kind of like where the water laps against it and it brings the dirt back into the river or the pond or something. So we gather the dirt from there. Yeah.
What if you're losing something or a space that was attached to you, and you want to have that dirt returned? How could you use it?
And what was the first part again?
So there's something you're losing the land, a place that.
Oh, you're losing some land.
Yes.
Do you want to try to retain it, or you want?
The time to retain the past.
You can get dirt from a location. Here's a good example. Let's say you move into a new house and you have happy memories of your grandmother's house. Go get dirt from there and mix it in with the dirt in your place. Yeah, and then that way, and you know that those memories are carried with you from that place to the new place. Well, that is a very simple class on how to use dirt, just dirt. So, thank you.